Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create an animated text poster in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition 1920 by 1080 resolution 30 frames per second and duration is 10 seconds. First, grab the text tool and create a text. Adjust it into the center of the comp. And click on the title action icon to open it. Select the region of interest tool and make the box around the text. Now go to the composition menu and select crop comp to region of interest. Select the move tool and double-click on the rectangle. It will make a perfect shape in the comp. Name it BG and move it down the side of the text and change the text color to black. Now create a new composition, and name it main comp and hit OK. Now close the transparency of the comp. Now drag the text comp into the timeline. Now search for the mesh wrap effect and hit enter. Now go to the effect and change row 3 and column 5. But before going forward, double-click on the text comp and select the social layer. Now select the layer and search for the motion tile effect. Go to the motion tile, click on the tile center stopwatch, create a keyframe, and change the value. Now go to the end of the timeline and change the value. Now select the mesh and drag the upper and lower right corner a little up. After that, hold the handle and move it downside. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now again select the mesh and drag the upper and lower left corner a little up. After that, hold the handle and move it downside. Now select the text comp and hold Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Now select the first comp and right-click, go to Transform and click Flip Horizontal, and also go to the Transform again and click Flip Vertical. Now search the Transform effects and change the position of the lower layer a little bit. Now apply the drop shadow effect on the upper layer and adjust the value according to your need. Now select both the layers and right-click, make it pre-comp, and name it kinetic text. Now double-click to open the comp and go to the composition, and composition settings and change the size according to the text role. Now come to the main comp and hit S for scale to decrease the size. Now search for the CC Reptile effect. Now expand the right, left, up, and down values 2000. Now go to Tilling and change the repeat to brick. Hit S to scale down the kinetic text comp and look at it better. Check the preview. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, shares it and subscribes to my channel.